you guys back to the channel. In this week's episode, we are going to be making a dish that you most commonly associate with us Punjabi people, and more importantly, handsome young Sadar chefs like me. I'm going to be making butter chicken. One last thing before we get the butter chicken show on the road. This recipe today has been requested by Chef Sarabjit. He's a friend and a fantastic chef based in Bangalore. He's a culinary entrepreneur. He runs a food studio, a marvelous one called Slurp Studio. If you're in Bangalore, do check it out. Now to make butter chicken, the first thing we need is a bowl full of chicken. This is chicken thigh pieces and chicken drumsticks which have been given a little bit of cut to add more flavor. Now if you prefer boneless chicken, then go ahead. Personally speaking, I love chicken with the bone on, especially in a curry like this. Some salt, Kashmiri chili powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, mustard oil, and some curd. Make sure to mix all this very well. So our chicken looks good. It's going to sit in this marination for at least a couple of hours for it to really absorb the flavors. If you can keep it overnight, that will be really the best. Now after the chicken has been marinated, it's time to find yourself a tandoor. Don't worry, there is a solution, there is a jugaad. So I got myself a gas tandoor here which does a very good job in caramelizing the chicken on the outside. You can also use an oven like this or a frying pan. Just make sure that the outsides are well charred. It has that typical brownish nice charred effect. That's very important, whether you do it here, whether you do it here, or whether you do it on a grill pan. So I've got my chicken ready here in a bowl. I'm going to introduce the smoke. I've got some coal here burning away, and in that I'm going to add some ghee. This will create smoke, and I'm going to cover it up just to let the smoke get absorbed into our chicken. So after the chicken has been smoked, I'm going to use this charcoal, jalta hua charcoal, to flavor my ghee. अब चिकन के बाद आती है बात ग्रेवी की. I've got this beautifully flavored ghee in front of me, which is going to be used as a base to carry all the flavors. Onions are going to be sliced, tomatoes are going to be quartered, and they're going to be sauteed with a little bit of garam masala, and then we get our beautiful. Start off by heating a flavored ghee, and in this I'm going to crackle some green cardamom, a few de-seeded red chilies, these will give color, then some sliced onions, some sliced garlic, a little bit of sliced ginger, giving a nice stir. You would have noticed I have not used too much of garam masala, because I'm going to be adding garam masala powder right at the end. I don't like to have garam masala sticking out in the gravy, so I'm going to just simply powder it. After about 5 minutes of gentle sauteing, the onions have slightly softened, and now I'm going to add in our chopped diced tomatoes. I'm going to continue stirring this. To make our gravy really creamy and smooth, I'm going to add in some cashew nuts. We'll give all of this a nice stir. Slowly the tomatoes will start releasing their moisture. We're going to start cooking them till they're mashed. At this stage, I'm going to start adding the salt, a little bit of cumin powder, and some Kashmiri chili powder. This will add more color. I'm adding in some water to start cooking our gravy. So after about 20-25 minutes of slow gentle cooking, the tomatoes are nicely mashed up, and I'm adding that secret ingredient that makes this really special. This is a little bit of khoya, crumbled khoya. This is going to be mixed in to our gravy to make this gravy really smooth. Now after the gravy has cooled down, I'm going to blend it. So after we cook the gravy, it is extremely important to strain the gravy. Make it absolutely velvety smooth, absolutely creamy, that makhni taste that comes with the right texture. That is the hallmark of a very good butter chicken. And the hallmark of a Japfi made butter chicken is that it gets an extra double tadka. That happens only in Amul butter. So Amul guys, if you're listening, I've given you a hint, you know what to do with it. So do that with finely chopped onions, finely chopped garlic in butter, lots of butter, and then strain it again. Yes, double tadka, double straining, double the fun. I'm telling you, this is the most amazing butter chicken recipe coming your way. The special tadka starts with a little bit of butter. While that melts, I'm going to start adding some chopped onions. Remember, the onions have to be really finely chopped. Give that all a nice stir. Then also added a little bit of a flavored ghee, the one with the charcoal smell in it, to make it even nicer and beautiful. Now I'm going to add in my chopped garlic. This is again very finely chopped. And at this time, I add in a pinch of Kashmiri chili powder to give it a nice bright color. This will enhance the color of our gravy. Here comes in our gravy. Doesn't this look nice and delicious already? Just blending in all the flavors. Now it's time to adjust the seasoning. I'm adding a little bit more of salt, just a pinch of garam masala, and then just a little teaspoon of kasturi methi. Combining all of these together. And once these are ready, our chicken comes in. This is also going to get slowly simmered so that the gravy absorbs the smokiness of this chicken. Be careful, it's going to get wild in here. Now it's time to add in a little bit of the cream. This will add more creaminess to our butter chicken. Our most amazing butter chicken is almost ready. I've let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Aste gas pe na. I'm going to let it simmer so that the flavors kind of come together. I've got a dhakkan on it so that the splinters don't go all across the room. I'm going to add a little bit of honey right in the end just to make it slightly sweet. Nothing too much, just slightly. That's the way I like it. There you go, boys and girls. I just shared you my signature recipe to make the most amazing, the best, absolutely best butter chicken. And ये the recipe आपके हाथ लगे ना, एक बात तो guaranteed है. You know what? अब ना diet ना हो पाएगा. I'm Chef Japfi. I'll see you next week with another interesting, amazing recipe. Until then, do me a little favor. Click this gold wala icon. It's going to get you to subscribe to the channel so that you're the first person to know when my new recipe comes out. I'll see you next week. Until then, bye bye.